Hello world. What is up everyone? Welcome back to today's video. First of all, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's great to see you again. If you're brand new to today's video or to my channel, now would be a great time to hit subscribe so you don't miss more great videos like this. Today, guys, we are talking about the newest revolution, update, re-inspiration from Estee Lauder skincare and their advanced night repair line. Today, we're talking about the brand new update to the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Now, Estee Lauder recently just relaunched their newest update to the Advanced Night Repair Serum for the first time in about 7 years. So 7 more years of research, 7 more years of testing. I will say Estee Lauder does some pretty good skincare testing. And with those advances in skincare over the last 7 years, Estee Lauder has gone ahead and packed all of their research into this newly formulated serum. Now, if you remember, I've already done a complete review on the last version of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's actually one of my most popular videos here on my channel. You guys, I have heard from so many of you, and because you guys were so interested in my original Advanced Night Repair review, I was like, you know what? This new launch, we need to talk about it. We need to find out, is it worth the money? What are the ingredients? What exactly did Estee Lauder reformulate? I'm going to apply it to the skin. By the end of today's video, you are going to know the full tea about the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Okay, so to quickly cover the basics of the Estee Lauder ANR serum, this serum was actually launched in the 1980s. It's almost 40 years old, and it's gone through 4 updates since the original. So this is actually the 5th version of the ANR serum. Now, the Advanced Night Repair Serum was originally launched as a nighttime serum, but you can use it during the day as well. But the whole premise to the serum is that it uses your skin's natural regulation processes at night and amplifies them to help turn over your skin cells even faster. The new Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex maximizes the skin's natural repair more effectively than ever, and for the first time helps skin increase its natural renewal of fresh new cells for the production of collagen and firmer skin. Advanced Night Repair addresses all the key signs of aging. Lines and wrinkles look significantly reduced, skin feels smoother, hydrated, firm, and more even-toned. So the biggest update to the ANR serum is in their Chronolux technology, and what that means is that's their special blend of ingredients that deliver a certain results. It's called Chronolux technology, which makes Estee Lauder able to patent the term and better hide those ingredients inside of the serum list, inside the INCI list, so that no competitors can copy their exact formulation or use the same ingredients that they do in the same percentages. Now, while it is impossible to know the exact formulation of their Chronolux technology, what we can do is look at the ingredients which we're about to do, find out what's different, what exactly is in here that makes it different, and what Estee Lauder says is in their new Chronolux technology, they have something called power signal technology. It says that this new formula helps to rapidly ignite a dynamic connected repair network to help promote skin's natural repair processes. So it helps skin increase its natural skin renewal production for fresh new cells by 43%. So exactly what that means is if your skin takes, say, 30 days to turn over, everyone's skin takes about 30 days. If you use this ingredient, which Estee Lauder is saying, your skin should turn over within 2 weeks to 3 weeks as opposed to 4 or 5 weeks. So younger looking skin, fresher skin, I'm here for it. Now, before we talk about the ingredients inside the ANR serum, first, we just need to talk about how they've reimagined their old apothecary style bottle. Now, the first thing is that they've made the bottle glass, which is recyclable. The dropper is not recyclable, but the bottle is recyclable, and that is a huge step. The old one was a plastic bottle, and I mean, hello, we can use glass. We're at that stage. It's a luxury skincare product. It's a lot more sleek, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's actually a slight gradient in the bottle here. So you can see the bottom of the product, although the package is still brown, so no light is going to degrade the product, which is really important. All right, now let's talk about the most important part of the ANR serum, the heart of the ANR serum, which is of course the ingredients. I have spent quite a bit of time going through the newly launched ANR serum ingredient list. I've compared it to the last one. I've done the research, I've done the math, and I have some findings. Haha! Let's put the ingredient list right here. Bing! And the first thing that I want to mention is that the majority of the skincare ingredients in the newest update are similar. However, the ingredient list, the INCI list, has moved around. Now, I will say that this is fairly common for skincare companies to move the ingredient list and shift things around. Of course, if you're familiar with how the INCI list works or ingredient lists work, companies are of course required to list their ingredients in order of concentration, with the highest concentration first, with the least concentration as they go down. However, there is the magic 1% mark where after the 1% line, companies can actually mix the ingredients up in any order that they want. And this helps them protect patents like their Chronolux technology so that competitors can't copy their exact formula. Now, I do want to highlight a couple of key skincare ingredients, which I believe are the heart of the ANR serum. And that first one is, of course, probiotics and prebiotics. Now, the second ingredient in this inky list is bifida ferment lysate. You guys know probiotics and prebiotics contribute to a more healthy skin biome. They actually add positive bacteria onto the skin, and if your skin is lacking in positive bacteria, that actually leaves your skin open to collecting negative, nasty, dirty bacteria. So by adding in more positive bacteria into your skin's microbiome, it can help soothe the skin and protect it from future damage. Now, it's also great for helping to reduce acne. It helps with cell turnover, fine lines, wrinkles. Adding in these prebiotics can help to repair stressed skin, giving you really hydrated, soft, supple skin. Now, there's also lactobacillus and yeast extract in here. So these are also probiotics and prebiotics that are going to contribute to that healthy skin biome, overall giving you more beautiful skin. Now, this does have some other amazing skincare ingredients aside from all of those prebiotics. This is also a very hydrating serum. Now, there's hydrolyzed align in here, which is actually a marine extract and is a better humectant than hyaluronic acid, which means that it goes into the skin and absorbs all of the moisture. So if you have very dry skin, using humectants is going to be something that adds moisture into the skin, really plumping your skin up. Of course, this also has hyaluronic acid, squalane, glycerin. I mean, it is so hydrating. It makes your skin feel so smooth. This formula, like their last formula, also has tripeptide 32, which actually has cell communicating properties. It's supposed to help with skin repair. Of course, peptides are short chains of amino acids that are the building blocks for proteins in the skin. These proteins are, of course, the foundation of your skin, and tripeptide 32 is meant to help build those proteins. Now, another fascinating ingredient in the ANR serum is actually sodium RNA. Sodium RNA is thought to help with the downregulation of elastase in the skin. And why that is so important is because elastase actually breaks down the elastic fibers in your skin, giving you saggy skin, older looking skin, which you want to prevent at all costs. So by downregulating elastase, you're actually helping your skin stay firmer and not be destroyed by the elastase any faster than it needs to be. Sodium RNA is also thought to inhibit the MITF gene, which suppresses melanin production. So if you have any dark spots or suffer from anything, even like melasma, using something like a sodium RNA can help those spots from getting darker or forming. Okay, so now we've come to the biggest skincare ingredient, in my opinion, that makes this newest update to the ANR serum different from the previous version. This is the only skincare ingredient that I really see in the new skincare list that is actually mind-blowing. I love that they've added this into the serum. And that ingredient is Adansonia digitata seed extract. Now, this skincare ingredient is loaded with things that are phenomenal for your skin. And one of the big things that this contains is vitamin A. Of course, if you don't know, vitamin A is actually where the retinoic acid family comes from. So retinol, retin A, retinoic acid, it comes in many forms with different names. Tretinoin cream actually come from the umbrella family of vitamin A. So now it's no surprise that that's why Estee Lauder is really marketing this cellular turnover process. Vitamin A is proven, scientifically proven, to help your skin turn over more quickly. So with the addition of this seed extract, it is no wonder that your skin can turn over more quickly. Not only does it contain vitamin A, but it also contains tons of antioxidants, including vitamin E. It also contains so many fatty acids that are going to help nourish the skin, linoleic acid, palmitic acid. But the main aspect to this seed oil is definitely that contribution of vitamin A. Estee Lauder, you hit the nail right on the head. That is exactly what this serum needed. It is going to take it to the next level, trust me. There we are, guys, up close and personal, just where I like you all to be. So I want to go ahead and demo the Estee Lauder Advanced ANR Serum. Now, I haven't been using the newest edition of the ANR Serum long enough to really give you guys my long-term thoughts, but I can say that the ANR Serum in general, over the last year, I just hit myself in the chin, it's so hydrating, it leaves your skin super smooth, silky smooth, in fact, and overall, it's just a really nice experience. So let's go ahead and take a big dropper of the ANR serum Oh yeah, we're gonna take a big full dropper. We're gonna make it worth it. Let's just make a big drop. Oh yeah. Now I do see some people touch the dropper right to your skin. This is something that I try to avoid at all costs. We don't want to put any bacteria back into the jar. Although there is preservatives and stuff in there that will help bacteria from preventing to form, but we just want to avoid that at all costs. So as you guys can see, this is a very light texture, but oh my gosh, just applying this is so gorgeous. It makes my skin just drinks it up. It makes it so oh my gosh, look at it. I mean, gorgeous. One of the best parts of this serum is that it doesn't have any fragrance. It actually smells kind of like a little bit, almost like vitamins. I know that that sounds so weird, but you know, if you open a pack of vitamins and you take a smell, that's kind of exactly what it smells like, which is kind of refreshing because when it comes to luxury skincare in particular, you often get really floral scents or very heavy scents, which is just part of the overall sensory experience of a luxury skincare product. But it's so nice that Estee Lauder hasn't included any fragrances in this formula. Now it totally dries down. It makes, if you wear foundation or makeup, lay on your skin flawlessly, especially if you have dry under eyes. If you do a couple drops of this serum in your under eye area before you apply your concealer, hello, it literally makes your concealer like a second skin. Remember, it has those prebiotics which really help contribute to a healthy skin biome. Now, all of the hyaluronic acids, the hydrolyzed align, are all retaining moisture in my skin, making it look plump, youthful. I mean, I'm done. Alright guys, so that is my review of the new Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Now the biggest update to the new ANR serum is the mixing of the INCI list, or the mixing of the ingredient list. Now this works twofold. Perhaps they've reimagined the formula or they've tweaked some percentages, but this also helps to keep their patent strong and helps their patented Chronolux technology stay secret and stay safe from competitors. In my opinion, the biggest addition to the skincare ingredients is of course that plant seed oil that contains vitamin A. Having a vitamin A in your skincare routine is without a doubt going to help your skin turn over during its natural cell renewal process. In addition to all of the other awesome skincare ingredients in this serum, adding that extra one in just kind of like is the icing on the cake for me. Now the best news of all is that you don't have to pick between the new ANR serum or the old ANR serum, because on the marketplace the new one has just completely replaced the old one. So it's not like you have to choose between the new serum or the previous formula. You're just going to get the new one and you're going to get that addition of the newest skincare ingredient. I love it. In my opinion, because this is a very expensive serum, my recommendation is always, if you have the extra dollars or you're a skincare enthusiast like I am myself, this serum is a must-have. It's an iconic, a classic, and if you love skincare, whoop, there's a little hair floating around, you are going to love this serum. Of course, I know times are tough right now, especially in this financial economy, so spending $100 on a serum for everyone might not be their cup of tea. I do encourage you guys to look at the ingredient list. Of course, there are always alternatives when it comes to skincare at very many price points, so as long as you know what skincare ingredient you're looking for, you can go out there and do your own research, find your own skincare products. But I personally have been loving my ANR serum, and I think it's going to be in my skincare routine for a very long time. If you like today's review of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe down below to join this ever-growing family, and of course we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys!